We've all heard the horror stories about vinyl frame windows. We've heard about warping, cracking, chalking, splitting. Why does that happen? I'll explain.
Desert King Windows, we knock out the weather.
Hi, I'm Jason, owner of Desert King Windows, and I'm going to tell you about vinyl today. Vinyl frame windows is by far the most produced window, but yet it kind of comes with a bad rap. You hear a lot of people that are talking about, oh no, vinyl windows, they do this, or they warp, or they do something funky, or they're cheap, and all that stuff. Well, they're half right. So it's very, very simple. There's two kinds of vinyl frame windows out there. Good ones and bad ones. Quality and not quality. And the main differences between the two is the actual vinyl itself, how the vinyl is chemically constructed. So let me explain. When you hear those horror stories about yellowing windows, chalking, which is when you rub off the color of it, splitting, warping, those kinds of things. Warping is usually an installation error, but more on that later. We're talking about the quality of the vinyl itself. Okay, what makes a vinyl window quality? Vinyl's vinyl, right? It's all vinyl. No, it's not all the same. Easiest way to explain the difference between good quality vinyl and bad quality vinyl is, well, I'll use an analogy we all know. Baking. You have flour, you got sugar, whatever ingredients go into a batter. Well, if you change how much sugar is in there, or you change how much flour is in there, and those kinds of things, you change the proportions, well, that's going to change the actual dessert, right? You got cupcakes, you got cakes, you got cookies, all kinds of things, and they're all a little bit different, right? Well, it's no different than how vinyl is made, okay? Bunch of ingredients, all put together, and there's different proportions. They get their vinyl frames from an extruder. An extruder creates the vinyl, they actually mix the vinyl, and they create long linears where the manufacturer cuts them to size and assembles them. So what's the difference in all of them? There's at least 8 ingredients in it. It can be as many as 20 in a single mixture. Those are all gonna be proprietary information. Those extruders are not going to just tell us what's in it all the time, okay? But what ingredients are most important? There's one ingredient that is more important than any other, and that's titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide is hands down the most important part of the makeup of the vinyl itself. So that is what separates the good window from the bad window. So that is the main ingredient in here. It reflects direct heat and UV rays. It prevents the window from yellowing or changing color. It also makes it so it's more solid and it doesn't chalk or anything like that. No need to be afraid of it. It's harmless, it's in sunscreen, it's in toothpaste, it's in paint, it's in all kinds of stuff. And it's what solidifies the actual substance itself. Think about this. You go, I need a gallon of red paint. Okay, the guy wearing the apron on the other side goes, all right, do you want the $20 gallon, do you want the $30 gallon, or you want the $50 gallon? What's the difference? It's all red, right? There's a big difference, and it's the amount of titanium dioxide. The $50 gallon, well, that's an exterior paint, so it needs more titanium dioxide, right? But there are windows out there that, well, we don't sell that are much cheaper. And the reason why we don't is because it's gonna have a very low amount of titanium dioxide. How can I possibly keep up with lifetime warranties? We offer a lifetime warranty on craftsmanship. All of our manufacturers offer lifetime warranties. How can I possibly keep up with all of those warranties if they're all gonna warp, yellow, split, and peel? I think we install somewhere around 10,000 windows every single year. They gotta be a good quality window. They have to be. Otherwise, we wouldn't be around for 25, 26 years now. So all very, very important stuff. One really good tip, ask, what's covered? What's covered under the warranty? Then read the warranty. The company that you're looking to possibly do your home and windows and replace all of your windows, make sure that everything that they're saying is in writing. Super, super important, because they might say, hey, there's a lifetime warranty on this product. Well, yeah, that there's a lifetime warranty on the product, but what is their definition of lifetime warranty? What is it a lifetime of? Okay, that's very, very important. There's limited lifetime warranties that are all over the place. They say limited lifetime warranty. It's only 10 years. It's only a 10-year warranty. All right, that's not a lifetime warranty. What's that a lifetime of? It's definitely not the home or you. So I know it's a boring read. It is. It's not fun to read a window warranty, but it's something that could save you tens of thousands of dollars in the long run and a whole lot of heartache. This is a long-term relationship. We are giving you a lifetime warranty. So it's not just a, here's your windows, we're out, later, never see you again. So we want to make sure that what we're putting in your house, it's always quality. Make sure that you pick the right company, because that's even more important than picking the right window. Don't forget to check those warranties out. Choosing new windows can be overwhelming. There's tons of information out there, and AI might miss the mark. But our free window buyer's guide, backed by 25 years of experience, makes it simple. No overcomplicated jargon, just facts to help you decide with confidence. And don't forget to get 3 bids. And if you're in one of our areas, make sure Desert King Windows is on your list. You'll be glad you did.
We use the best windows, cause nothing works better. Desert King Windows, we knock out the weather.